The tubo bravo for our next contestant is Temana or Temanu. The spirit of the birds is so inspiring to me. Through flight and hunt, the birds show strength, agility, strategy, and grace. The bird's ferocity and elegance create the perfect balance in my mana and continues to guide me through my life and dance journey. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage dancer number 200, Miss Jada Beacon.